Alright guys, I've got some medicine here. I've had it ages. It runs out 2018. 1st of April 2018. Is that alright to take, you lads? It's Buttercup. I've had it, it's 3 years out of date. Oh, sniff that. Right, look. It says 2018. So it's more than 3 years out of date. So is that going to be alright for me, dear lads? Look, 2018. That is 3 years out of date. Yeah. Is that safe to take? Look, it's 2018. What's that, 3 years out of date? So let's have some of this out of date medicine. I'm going to be alright, yeah. Alright, delete. I've got some out of date medicine. It's out of date by 3 years. So let's. How many spoonsful can I have? Well, I'll take 2 spoonsful. Yeah. Is that going to be alright with me, lads? Yeah. Let's have 2 spoonsful of this out of date medicine. Yeah, I've got a spoon. I've got a spoon, dear lads. Is that alright with you, dear lads? Yeah. So, oh, it smells funny. Yeah. Fucking smells strange. So I'm gonna have a couple of spoons of medicine, and yeah. It's only 3 years out of date. Yeah. 1. That's 1. Yeah. Tastes a bit strange. Let's have another one. Cough medicine all the way. Lovely. There you go. Oh, that'll get rid of me cough, won't it? Yeah. Yeah, 3 years and 3.5 years out of date. Yeah, I'll be doing alright, won't I? Yeah.